Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will show you step by step how to simplify this expression until it cannot be reduced any further. So let's get started with our first step. Step 1 in solving the problem: reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is to factor the numerator x squared minus 4. First, recognize that x squared minus 4 is a special type of polynomial called a difference of squares. A difference of squares is an expression in the form of a squared number minus another squared number. The general formula for factoring a difference of squares is a squared minus b squared equals open a plus b close times open a minus b close. In our case, x is the value that is squared in the first term x squared, and 2 is the value that is squared in the term 4. Substituting these values into the formula, we get x squared minus 2 squared. According to the formula for the difference of squares, this can be factored into open x plus 2 close times open x minus 2 close. So now, the expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is transformed into open x plus 2 close times open x minus 2 close divided by x plus 2. We have succeeded in factoring the numerator and rewriting the original expression in a different form. This concludes step 1. Step 2 in solving the problem: reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 involves simplifying the expression that we obtained in step 1. By factoring the numerator in step 1, we transformed x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Notice that in this new form of the expression, both the numerator and the denominator contain the factor x plus 2. Since x plus 2 is present in both the top and bottom parts of the fraction, we can cancel these common factors. When we cancel out x plus 2 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with x minus 2. Thus, the expression simplifies to its lowest terms, which is x minus 2. This concludes step 2 and also completes the entire process. The rational expression is now simplified to x minus 2, which is its simplest form. Step 3 in solving the problem: reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 involves verifying our simplified result from step 2. In step 2, we simplified the expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 to x minus 2 by cancelling the common factor x plus 2 from both the numerator and the denominator. To ensure that our simplified result is correct, we can substitute different values for x into both the original expression and the simplified expression to see if they yield the same result. Provided the value for x does not make the denominator 0, let's pick a value for x, such as 1. Substitute 1 into the original expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2. Calculating the original expression with x equals 1. 1 squared minus 4 divided by 1 plus 2 equals 1 minus 4 divided by 3 equals minus 3 divided by 3 equals minus 1. Now, substitute 1 into the simplified expression x minus 2. Calculating the simplified expression with x equals 1. 1 minus 2 equals minus 1. Both the original and simplified expressions give the same result of minus 1 when x is equal to 1. This test confirms that our simplification from the original expression to x minus 2 is accurate. Since we found no discrepancies, we conclude that the rational expression reduces correctly to x minus 2, which is now its simplest form. This also concludes the entire problem-solving process. Step 4 in solving the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 involves re-expressing the final result for clarity. In step 3, we verified that simplifying the original expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 to x minus 2 was correct. We confirmed this by substituting a value for x and ensuring that both the original and simplified expressions produced the same result. Having verified our answer, it is important to clearly state our final simplified form. The expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 reduces to x minus 2 after cancelling the common factor of x plus 2 from both the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, the rational expression in its simplest form is x minus 2. This concludes the final step in the problem-solving process.